Hi, this is Kate Coogan from Residential Properties, and welcome to 1 Sullivan Terrace in Barrington, Rhode Island. This property sits at one of the highest points in town, which allows for these magnificent water views of the Barrington River. It sits on over a half an acre of property, and you are just steps from the downtown and the East Bay bike path and shopping and our fabulous schools. You're just close to everything at this wonderful location. For more information or a private showing, just give me a call at 401-864-6180. Thank you.